Alright guys, before it's your turn to do the final project, I just wanted to give you guys an example of what a final project could look like. So over here I've pulled up the final project instructions, and it says that I can do anything I'd like as long as it has at least 3 of these in my final project. I need to have either a variable, a for loop, input statements, math symbols, or if-else statements. Now, it's important that I have at least 3 of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an even or odd calculator. If you're watching this video, please try to do something different. This is just for the purposes of demoing. I'll give you guys a couple ideas in class as well. But to make our even or odd calculator, what we're going to do is we're going to get user input. Let's call it number. And we can set that equal to input, choose any number. And I usually leave a little space when I'm writing my input statement prompts, just in case, we're using a different IDE where it asks you to start typing right after this message. But anyway, now it's going to give us an input statement. I'm going to choose 14. The program just kind of ends, but that's fine because we haven't actually done our thing yet. Now we're going to do an if statement to calculate whether it's even or odd. So now we can write an if statement. So if number, and then this is where our modulus operator comes in handy, because remember how we talked about how it's very helpful for divisibility? If number mod 2, and then our equality operator equals 0, then we're going to print your number is even. And obviously, if your number is not even, it's going to be odd. So let's also make an else statement. So right after the if statement, don't forget your indentations to print your number is odd. Now, if we give this a little run, let's choose the number 16. We get our number is even. If we choose 0, we also get our number is even. If we choose 9, we get odd. And if we type in something that is not an integer, we get a value error. But let's not end like that. So 14 even and 15 odd. And now let's just double check to make sure we meet the requirements. So we need at least 3 of these. We have a variable, right? Number over here. We don't have a for loop, but that's okay. We can make up for it. We have an input statement. There's an S over here, but you don't need it. And then symbols. For over here, we have our modulus. And then finally, if else. We have that too. So we actually hit 4 out of 5 of them. Now, I want you guys to make your own final projects. It can even be about something you're excited about, like maybe a build your own pizza game or a basketball point scoring simulator. It's up to you. Have fun!